We're going to take a look at how to use the class list to charge items, be it invoices, sales receipts, bills, to a certain class in QuickBooks. Now you need to maybe go back and watch our other video on how to set up the class list. We're assuming that that's already been set up. So at this point, if we're going to create an invoice, we can just go to Create Invoices, and it opens up an invoice here. And so you can see here I have a button for the class, but I don't have any columns that have the class. I need to get a column for the class because if I have 4 classes and there's 4 different line items in an invoice and they all need to be charged a separate class, I need to have that availability to have those columns there to do that. And so you can see here on this template that is selected, it doesn't have the class displayed. I can bring in the class, or I can select another template. To select another template, just hit the down arrow and select your template, and you can see there's the class there. But if you're wanting to use that other invoice and bring in the class, you can just go to Customize, come down here, and we should see class, and I want it to be on the screen. I don't want it to print on the invoice, I just want to show it on the screen, and hit OK, and you can see now it's there. Alright, so we're just going to pick a customer. Come in and we'll just pick a few items through here. Just randomly picking things. And we'll charge this to a certain class, so that's new construction. Come down here and pick those items. So now you can see that I have 3 line items and I've selected 2 separate classes for this particular transaction. And I can hit save and close. Okay, the same can be done on a bill. We just go to the Enter Bill, pick our vendor, come in here with an amount, and maybe there's a couple line items on here. We'll just again picking random accounts just for demonstration, and that would be it. And we just hit save and close there. So that's actually going to tag it to a certain class. Now what we can also do is our employees, we can put their pay for a certain class. So just go in, right click on an employee, edit employees, come in payroll compensation info, and select the class that you want to charge their salary to. So the end result, when you run the profit and loss by class, you're going to be able to see the income and expense by class or division of your company, profit center. So this is a pretty powerful way to be able to manage your business, the different profit centers involved in your business.